Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kemana and welcome to my beauty space. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking out with me. On today's tutorial, I wanted to recreate this look for you guys. It's inspired by Adriana Lima. This is the look that she wore for Cannes Film Festival in 2017. I'm not saying in any way, shape, or form that I look like her, because I don't. Let's be honest, I don't at all. Oh, and I also I made it my own. You know, I got a few things here and there, a little bit different than what she did. This is what I came up with, and I really like how it turned out. I'm so excited that I can wear liquid lipsticks now that I'm done with Accutane. Any kind of lipsticks, I can totally wear them. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the video. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. First up, I'm going to prime my eyelids, and for that I'm using NYX HD concealer. Now I'm gonna set that with powder. For that I'm using my Neutrogena powder. Okay, so for this look I'm gonna be using one of my very favorite palettes of all time. This is actually one of the very first palettes I've ever bought. This is the Lorac Pro palette, the very first one, the original one. I love this palette so much. So anyways, we're gonna go in with this color right here. This color right here, speaking of product. And we're just going to warm up the crease really quick. Now, for that little extra warmth that she has on her crease, I'm gonna go in with a different palette, Wet n Wild palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color right over here, just a tiny bit. Remember, this thing is super pigmented, so you just need a little bit. And it looks like she had the crease color pull out a little bit, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Now, with the same concealer, I'm going to cut crease because I want the other colors to show a little bit more. Now with the flat brush and the same palette, I'm gonna go in with bronze right over here and the half inner part of my eyelids. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna pick up the color right next to bronze, which is gold, right over here. And I'm gonna apply that on the outer half. Now with the same brush that we've been using, just in the tip of it, I'm going to go in with pewter with this color right over here. With this color right over here. On the most outer part of my eyelid. She doesn't have any liquid liner on the top of her eyelids, but I'm going to do that just because I like my eyeliner, you know. She definitely has black liner on her tight line. So yeah, we're gonna do that too. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal 12 Hour Infallible, the super slim. It comes in a pen. I love this thing. I'm gonna go in with a black pencil and I'm gonna tight line. So for the natural look, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Tinted Moisturizer. I love this stuff. I'm gonna apply that with my fingers. go in with a little bit of concealer. And for that, I'm going to be using my NYX HD Studio Concealer. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with my banana powder from NYX. Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my Neutrogena Mineral Sheer Powder. Okay, so now I'm going to bronze my skin. I'm gonna go in with my Bahama Mama. Just define my cheekbones just a tiny bit, nothing crazy. Now for a little bit more of color, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess. So I'm gonna go in with my Coralista from Benefit. Now for highlight, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Okay, so let's finish the rest of the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up gold and I'm gonna run that on my lower part of my eyes. Now with the same brush, it's a pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up this color right here, Pewter, and I'm gonna run that in the half outer part of the eyes. Now I'm going to apply some false lashes. I'm using these half lashes from Ardell. These are the 305 lashes. So I'm going to apply this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my lashes on. I'm going to apply mascara now. I'm going to be using the Falsies by Maybelline. Now it looks like she has a nude color on her waterline, so I'm gonna apply this one by Rimmel Scandal Eyes. Okay, now for my favorite part, the lips. I'm so excited because I'm finally done with Accutane, so that means that I can wear liquid lipsticks. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this corally color. This is by Sephora. Now to finish this look, I'm so in love with this. I'm gonna go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray.